Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Network, how you doing today? You got a sweet one here. This is a 20-inch porcelain DAIRYMEN'S ice cream sign. This is great. Don't see a lot of these around. So again, if it's a flange sign, you know that it's double-sided. This is a nice shape. It's got a little bit of, what I like to call a patina down in the corner there. Otherwise, all the content has not been touched. Beautiful shape. So if you are into looking for an ice cream sign or a nice rare porcelain flange sign, it's for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.